Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I will be unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. This is just the regular $12 bag. Gonna keep it nice and simple for you. I've just spent over an hour filming a try on haul, so that is coming. If you want to see clothes from Boohoo, then make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload my videos. And this is one of the items, just a really cute little simple t-shirt, but it's got this little cheetah on it. It's super cute. Also, I'm really excited. Soon I will be getting a new backdrop set up and filming with that, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the bag and see what we got. Let's pull it out. Okay, yeah, nothing in the envelope this time. Everything is within the bag, and here is the bag design. I'm assuming no brushes or anything because I think they'd be bigger than the bag, but this is the look of it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about it. I already did my Ipsy Plus. I uploaded that one yesterday, so if you want to see that, be sure to check that video. But I won't go into a lot of detail about the bag because it's not really my style. That's essentially what I said, but I cannot complain because the bags for the past several months have been like amazing to me, have been like right up my alley. Every now and then you're not gonna like the bag. It's not a big deal. I do kind of like the little wooden holes on them. I'm just not a big fan of the print. To me it looks kind of like a mature artistic floral. Some people are gonna like it though, so I'm not gonna bash on it. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just not really my taste. So let's go ahead and see what we got. I'm gonna pull our card out, try not to look at everything. So we've got our card. This is the full bloom bag. All right, first up we got something from Seraphin Botanicals. This is the Berry Plus Juice 100% vegan lip gel. So here is the box. I have tried a couple things from Seraphin, but not a lot. I do know that they are definitely cruelty free. This is vegan, no mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, gluten. It has vitamin E, blackberry, raspberry, shea butter, soybean, safflower, and sunflower seed oils, and it's hypoallergenic. So I don't know, let me take a look at it and I'll decide if I want to keep this. Ooh, this looks really pretty. I think I'll have to try a little bit of that on. So here is the actual product. Look at that color. Looks so nice. So this one goes for $19. It says reach for this healthy and hydrating lip gel when your lips are feeling dry. It's packed with shea butter, vitamins A and E to prevent from drying, cracking, and flaking. All right, so I've been taking care of my lips, but I still have like a little, I don't know, like cracking on my lip. I don't know why. Nothing is taking care of it. So let's put a little bit of this on. Ooh, it smells really good. It's kind of like fruity, but that is what it looks like. I had on kind of like a peachy nude type of lip, but I think it looks really pretty over that. Okay, so that's off to a pretty good start. Like I said, I have only tried a couple of things from the brand, but so far so good. I have not found anything that I haven't liked so far, so I will continue to keep trying them and I'll keep you guys posted. It's an interesting texture too. It's not sticky like a gloss, but it definitely has the shine like a gloss. Let's dive in and see what else we got. All right, so we got a liner. This is from, oh, what is this brand? Araceli? I'm gonna say Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner in black. I'm not gonna keep this for myself. I have too many eyeliners, but this is definitely not a brand I have ever heard of before. This looks like a pretty simple black eyeliner. So this one goes for $16. It says this long lasting, doesn't even begin to describe this waterproof gel eyeliner. It's cry proof, humidity proof, sweat proof, you name it. Okay, so I will put this in my, give to a friend / giveaway drawer, whatever comes first. It's nice to be introduced to new brands or brands you haven't experienced before, but I don't know, I'm just not really excited for this one. It's just a black liner, like nothing wrong with it, and everybody needs a good staple black liner. I just have so many and I have ones that I love, so I'm good to just share the love on that one. Next up is the Than Oatmeal Face Scrub. So this is the little tube right here. It says it's a non-abrasive scrub that uses oatmeal and apricot seeds to buff away dirt, debris, and organic coconut oil to deeply moisturize. So it says the full-size version is 100 grams for $42. This one's 15 grams, so this is probably about a $6 or $7 value right here. Probably not something I'm gonna hold on to. I just have so much, like I've said many times. I don't know, there's just nothing about this that's got me like super excited. It might be amazing, but I think I will definitely just hold on to this to give to a friend. And again, like a $6 or $7 value. Actually, I'll give you the exact amount. So $6.30 value for that one. See what else we got. Oh, okay, we got the Glossier Rich Moisturizer. This is the priming moisturizer. It's a luxurious facial cream. I have not tried Glossier, so I am excited to try this out. And it says the full-size version is 50 mils and is $35. And this one is 15, so that's not too bad. You're getting, you know, 30% of the full size, and the full size goes for $35. You're getting a $10.50 value. Not too bad. I mean, it's a pretty decent size considering almost a third of what you would normally get. I definitely want to try this out. Just got a little bit off of the lid there. I'll definitely try this out in my skincare routine soon. It definitely, like, it's got some weight to it. It's not a gel moisturizer by any means, but this doesn't feel extremely rich to me. It still feels pretty lightweight. The smell reminds me of something that I've used many times. Actually, it kind of smells like my deep sleep pillow spray. Okay, maybe I'll want to use this at night. Okay, sorry, I just like stared at that for a minute trying to understand it. It says it's getting warmer out. That means lighter formulas that give you dewy, smooth skin you can't wait to show off. Like, it's just a weird way of wording that. It says it's made with shea and maru butter. It's a hydrator that melts into your skin to relieve dryness, while ceramides and fatty acids help your skin hold on to moisture. Alright, and it suggests you mixing your foundation with a little bit of the moisturizer for a tinted moisturizer. This actually feels quite nice. Like, let me see. I can see a big difference in my hands. I'll see if you guys... I put the Glossier moisturizer here with nothing on my other hand. And I have been doing some hand washing, so you can see a little bit of a sheen there. The skin just looks healthier overall, so I'm not mad at that. I'm definitely excited to try it out. I think I'll try it out at night and see what my skin thinks of it. We'll give it a go. I'm not mad at this ratio. So far, I'm keeping 2 and I'm sharing 2. I love to share the wealth, so I'm not mad at that. Let's see, we've got one more item, and this is from Nomad Cosmetics. This is the Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow in Cantucci, I'm gonna guess. Is that a little moped on there? Somebody suggested that I check out the Harajuku palette from Nomad, and it is so freaking cute. Like, I actually want to go order it. But this is an eyeshadow as well. I have one of their other palettes. It's the, is it called Berlin Underground? Something like that. I really like that one too, but it's very grungy. It's very cute. I'm interested to see if this looks like any of the shadows in that other palette I have by them, because if so, then I won't use this shadow for myself. I'm just gonna have to tear the box like a savage. The full-size version is 13.5 grams for $27. This is 1.5 grams. All right, so this is about a $3 value. I mean, considering for one small single shadow, you probably wouldn't want it to be much more than that. This is like a really good, like, staple neutral shade for eyeshadow. I don't think I'm gonna hold on to it for myself, because I do feel like there may be a shadow in that Berlin Underground palette that is similar to this, but also I'm just not really good at reaching for single shadows. I tend to just grab a palette and go to town, so I think I will just share this with someone else. For someone who does like simple makeup, if you want it super simple, throw this all over the crease and in the outer corner, just blow it out, give you that like really soft defined look to the eye. I could definitely see using that by itself, or, you know, with maybe one other single shadow. But not a bad item to get. I definitely love their eyeshadows, and I'm so tempted to get that other palette. Like, I love when you guys recommend stuff, but I also hate it because typically you recommend like really good stuff that I want. And I have so many shadows, but I'm really tempted to get that one. Who knows, it may show up. Just to recap everything, of course, you just saw the single shadow. That is about a $3 value. The Glossier moisturizer we said was about a $10 value. We got the full size of the Seraphin lip gel, and that one goes for $19. The eyeliner, of course, goes for $16, and our scrub is a little over a $6 value. So that is about a $55 value, and that's not including the bag, of course. So I feel like for $12, that's a really good value. I'm very excited that I get to try the Glossier moisturizer. Also, the lip gel feels amazing on my lips, so even like these two things alone for 12 bucks, like, I cannot complain. I am going to share the wealth for the rest of this, just because you guys know I say it all the time, I have too much, but I love getting extras. Like, some people are like, I wouldn't waste my money. Like if you only want one or two things, just buy the one or two things. But personally, I love getting the surprise. I love sharing with other people, and it gives me a video. So all around, it's just like a great thing for me. So never feel bad because I don't use everything in the bag. I absolutely love getting them. So I'm very excited for the things that I am going to try. I'm definitely going to try that glossy moisturizer tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out for a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely be sure to check out some of my other videos. I think most of us on YouTube right now are experiencing like weird things happening. I know a lot of people are not seeing my videos, and if you don't want to watch, that's one thing, but not being able to find them or them not showing up, not getting notifications, like that's a whole other thing, and I don't like that. So definitely be sure to give a little bit of love. If you have the time to watch and comment and do those things that will help my videos get seen, I would appreciate it so much. And of course, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video.